Hey, crypto family, welcome back to another video where I bring you those daily crypto news articles. Today's article comes from Crypto Slate, and this was a big one today. People are just really talking about it, but it's like Three Arrows Capital reportedly considering asset sales bailout. Three Arrows is trying to buy time from creditors to figure out a plan to save itself, which could include asset sales or a possible bailout, the Wall Street Journal reported on June 7th. So, yes, Three Arrows Capital is a hedge fund, I believe, and they're one of the people suffering from the Luna UST Terra collapse. They had a significant fund in there and that lost a lot, and they were reported on saying that we're not the only ones who are dealing with this pain. They started pointing attention to Celsius. So it's like, okay, this is just a start of how many companies we're going to start hearing are considering bailout or just really just tanking, collapsing at the moment because like they had a bad bet. Markets aren't that green right now, so it's like they got hit everywhere. And yeah, so let's just go over this article and we can find out what's going on. So, Three Arrows Capital, which has been facing allegations of using clients' funds to meet margin calls, is exploring asset sales or a bailout. The hedge fund has hired legal and financial advisors to figure out a solution for its investors and lenders. Co-founder Kyle Davies told the Wall Street Journal the decision comes after the firm suffered substantial losses as the crypto market started spiraling further down on June 10th. Davies told the Wall Street Journal, "We have always been believers in crypto, and we still are. We are committed to working things out and finding an equitable solution for all of our constituents." In April, Three Arrows Capital had around $3 billion in assets under management. Then the UST collapsed, dealing a heavy blow to the hedge fund. Three Arrows is trying to reach an agreement with its creditors to buy more time to figure out a plan. The fund continues to operate as it explores possible solutions, the Wall Street Journal reported. Three Arrows was among a group of investors who participated in the $1 billion token sale by Luna Foundation Guard, the nonprofit behind the Terra ecosystem. Earlier this year, the hedge fund invested around $200 million in Luna as part of the deal. The funds formed the reserve that was supposed to help UST maintain its peg to the US dollar. When UST collapsed, despite the pumping on all of its reserves, Three Arrows invested evaporated within days. Davies told Wall Street Journal, "The Terra Luna situation caught us very much off guard. Although the Green Arrows managed to steady itself against the Luna losses, the rapid decline in the crypto market since last week has compounded problems for the firm." Davies told the Wall Street Journal. He added, We were not the first to get hit. This has been all part of the same contagion that has affected many other firms." Davies was referring to the troubles of Celsius, which stopped withdrawals and transfers on June 13th, citing extreme market conditions. Three Arrows is in the process of gauging the total extent of its losses and valuing its liquid assets, which include investments in crypto startups, Davies told the Wall Street Journal. The hedge fund had large exposures to Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is reeling from losses amid the market downturn. Additionally, Three Arrows also had large amounts of Ethereum staked to the Lido protocol, which is also battling problems with the staked Ethereum, selling at discount to Ethereum instead of one-to-one. Three Arrows investors included institutions and wealthy clients. Nicole Leo, partner at a law firm of Solitaire, which is advising the hedge fund, told Wall Street Journal. Leo added that the firm is keeping the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the country's financial regulator, updated with the development. Three Arrows was based in Singapore until last year and then shifted its base to the British Virgin Islands. So that is what happened to the Three Arrows Capital, and that's why they're reportedly considering asset sales or bailout. They had a big hit from the Luna Foundation Guard with UST collapsing, and they pointed out a couple other companies that we've seen earlier in the news, like what's going on. So we may be getting more news on this. Like whoever invested in UST hit probably a lot more people than we expected. So we will get articles like this in the coming days, which may push the price a little bit down. But hey, this is a great buying opportunity because during these bear markets, if you're in it for the long run, these are slingshot events. I keep saying that to try to keep you guys in mind what's to happen. This history is repeating itself. We're seeing the cycles of it, and Also, if you're in the crypto space, you got to think long term. This ain't just, I'm going to get really rich next year. No, it's long-term goals. Like you're getting into it for what crypto offers, blockchain technology offers, and everything. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, like each like these good coins out there. But yeah, so that was Three Arrows Capital. Yeah, that was kind of a depression article. But if you like the knowledge and the information on it, smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.